Hi everyone and welcome to another review of coloring book printed by Pictura. I already shown you another book by Yvonne Gilbert. It was English Country Home, and now I have a nice journey. I already mentioned in my videos that I always loved these medieval novels, Walter Scott novels, so of course I immediately wanted to have this book in my collection. I really love that inside of this book we have a short interview, some words from the artist. It really helps to get some information about the artist, what inspired her, and also very valuable advices in my opinion. The size of the book is the same as in the whole series, so it's 23 by 17 centimeters. We have 8 connected pictures to color, and they are printed with dark gray lines on quite thick paper. I would say that it's very similar to the cardstock, so you will be able to color with all your art materials, and I personally plan to color using watercolors for the background and to add details with my pencils, so just my favorite way of coloring. And just like in other Pictura books, pictures are very detailed. And here we have different pictures from the medieval knights' life. We have knights' battles, we have beautiful ladies, we have very interesting pictures with armory. And we can practice to color everything here, from the landscape, building, horses, armory, beautiful dresses and faces. We can even imagine some kind of story or to reconnect these pictures to famous knights novels, from King Arthur to Walter Scott novels, whatever your favorite novel is. Here on the back side, as usual, we have interesting historical facts about medieval era and about the everyday life of the knight and of beautiful ladies. And also some suggestions from Yvonne Gilbert how to mix colors to create natural skin tone, also very helpful. And some pages to practice, maybe to draw something or to copy something from the book in bigger size. As I have a soft spot to all books which are very detailed and to the nice theme, so this book is perfect for me. And another beautiful example of Pictura books. I hope that you also enjoyed this video, and I hope you to see in the videos where I will start to color it. Thank you for watching. Bye!